$2. What's good, YouTube? It's my 1975 Caprice convertible. As you see, the top all messed up. You know, got it in primer. My 1975 Caprice convertible. Got it. It ain't been on the street since 2014. All right, took my 516. Got that started. What I'm finna do, crank it up, let it run. This is my gas inside the V8 splash. Cause I found out, you know, my gas tank leaking. So ordered a new gas tank. But for right now, to keep them running, gonna hit them with this. I'm gonna hook them up down here. I disconnected the line. Let's go to the gas tank in the back. I unhooked it. Got a fuel filter down here and one up here. So when I first cranked it up, and I ain't want no rust and stuff coming from the 1975 gas tank into my carburetor, even though I'm gonna get another carburetor. So it'll catch the dirt and trash, will catch on that one and that one. But let's put some fresh gas and crank them up. Motor going strong, no leak. Change the valve cover gasket, valve cover, intake manifold, carburetor, water pump, alternator, use radiator to get it going. It works, but it don't work. Radiator for the water work, but the cooler, transmission cooler, don't work. So if I hook that cooler up to this radiator, hook that transmission up to this radiator, I'm gonna have transmission fluid in here. So I need a new one of these. So we up and running. Let me get my AC back going. I'll show y'all how y'all can transfer, I forgot the number, to the new Freon. Put my condenser and stuff back and go on through that. I'm gonna do all that. And it's about over. That's why you see it getting low up there. Really cool in that much. I gotta warm it up. New, the old one was leaking. And I'm gonna do the wheel cylinder as well. And I got, see that water on that pipe right there, cause I got this blocked off and it's leaking because for the transmission cooler that's inside this, it ain't working. So I ain't got it hooked up. The transmission fluid to get in here. See, I ain't got none of that hooked up. So it's blocked off. But that's like dry rotted. So it's leaking